In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio. If you want a simple way to showcase your work, projects, experience, or creative samples online, Google Sites is a great option. It's easy to use, it works right in your browser, and you don't need any coding knowledge to get started. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open Google Sites, choose a portfolio template, name your site, and customize it so it fits your style and goals. First, go to Google Sites. Once the page loads, you'll be in the area where you can create a new site. This is the starting point for building your portfolio, and from here, you can either begin from scratch or save time by using a ready-made design. Next, click on Template Gallery. This will open a selection of pre-designed layouts that Google provides. Templates are especially helpful if you want a professional-looking structure without having to build every section yourself. They give you a solid foundation so you can focus more on your content and less on the setup. From the gallery, click on Portfolio. This template is designed specifically for presenting your work in a clean and organized way. It usually includes sections that are useful for a personal or professional portfolio, making it easier to arrange your information clearly for visitors. Choosing this template gives you a strong starting point that you can adjust later. After that, name your site and your homepage. Your site name is what helps identify the overall website, while the homepage title is the main heading. People will usually see first when they land on your portfolio. Try to choose something clear and professional. For example, you might use your name, your profession, or a title that reflects the purpose of the portfolio. Keeping it simple makes your site look polished and easy to understand. Then, edit it based on your preference. This is where you make the portfolio your own. You can update the text, replace placeholder content, adjust images, and shape the layout to match the kind of work you want to present. As you customize, keep your audience in mind and aim for a design that is clean, readable, and consistent. It also helps to make sure each section supports your overall story and highlights your strongest work. Take a little time to review everything as you go, so your portfolio feels complete and professional. Once you're happy with how it looks, you'll be much closer to having a site that represents you well online.